Hello there and welcome back to Stuff in Excel. I want to show you very quickly how to create a histogram in the XLMINER Analysis TookPak. Very simple. First, I've got two pieces of information. I've got my data range over here in column A, and I've already named that data range. I also have my bins in column E, and I've named that data range. Now remember, you don't have to identify the bottom of each range for your bins. All you have to do is identify the top number in each range, and the XLMiner TookPak will automatically backfill all the other values in that particular bin. Now all I have to do next is click on Show TookPak. I'm going to go down to Histogram. Then for my input range, I'll click there. I'm going to go over to my data values, and I'm going to click Data Value, and it's going to put that in there. Then I'm going to go to bin ranges. I'm going to go back to my data names, and I'm going to pick bins. It's going to put that in there. Now all I have to do is tell the output range. We're going to put that in cell G1, and I'm going to say, let's do the chart because we want to see the chart, and we'll say OK. And what it's going to give me is my table of ranges, and it's also going to give me my histogram chart, and I can see if I change the names of those labels, I can now change the colors of those because it looks bad that way, and we'll just choose the colors, and there they are, and we can see how many items are in each of our histogram bins.